so weird. I haven't vlogged in so long. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go to this fiber festival that my mom saw randomly. And she asked if we wanted to go. Well, she didn't even ask if we wanted to go. She was just like, I saw this festival and I was like, I'm going. I'm going. Anyway, so we're all going, my mom and my sisters. And honestly, I'm just going for the vibes. I don't even know what to expect. I don't even know what's gonna be there, who's gonna be there. I'm literally just going for the vibes, and that is it. I was listening to my sisters film their vlog intros, and they were like, ooh, I need to find yarn for this project, and ooh, yarn. And I'm just like, I'm just going for the vibes, because I'm not really that big into yarn, because my sisters always give me their yarn and tell me what project to knit. So I'm just like, you know, I don't have to think for myself when it comes to knitting projects, so I don't seek out yarn to buy unless they're like, hey, you should buy this for this project. Like, that's it. So I mean, if I see yarn that I like, I'm absolutely gonna get it, but I'm really just here for the vibes and to see like what's going on. They said they have food, so I'm gonna be there for the food as well, and that's it. And if there is downtime, like I said, I have no idea what to expect. I literally don't know anything. I just know that it's a fiber festival and there will be yarn there. That's basically it, but I don't know anything else about it. But if there is downtime, my sister gave me her Never sweater to knit on, because I don't currently have any project I'm working on, because I have to wind up yarn and then I want to make it a whole video and tell you guys about it in detail. And so I was like, does anyone have a project, please? And Kahila had her Never sweater. I didn't even want to knit on that because I wanted something small, but she said on her Oslo hat she has to do like connecting something, and I was like, no thank you. And Kahila has no projects no whips, so I'm like, okay, you're useless. And so I went back to the Never sweater, which is what Kahila has. Anyway, yeah, I don't know, let's just see what we're gonna get into. I'm gonna vlog the entire day. There are 2 days. This is day 1, tomorrow is day 2. I'm gonna vlog those separately, so we get 2 different experiences and 2 different videos. So let's get it. Like I said, I have no idea what to expect, but we're just gonna see. Okay guys, we are here, and bro, I don't know why, but I did not expect so many people to be here. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be like a cute, it's a parking lot. I thought this would be a cute little, you know, like not everyone knows this is happening type of event. But yeah, I think I'm very, very, very wrong about that assumption. So I'm scared. I don't like being in public. Oh my God.
I know, it's so weird.
Right? Ooh. But this is the perfect weather for sweaters, at least. Literally sweater weather.
I didn't even know it was gonna be cloudy. I just knew it was.
Me either. I just knew the high was like 60 something, and I was like, sweater immediately.
Like 60 something enough to wear sweaters.
Alright. Anyway, that's it for now, folks. I will update you guys later.
Over and out.
The second time we got recognized.
I was gonna tell you guys, I crocheted for a long time. When you guys tried to get me out, I said, okay, if those 2 can do it, then I'm gonna try.
Oh my God, how are you liking them?
Well, but you want me? Yeah. I'm still working on scarves, but
no, that's
I actually need to knit a scarf.
Right. Every time it gets cold, I'm like, dang, I should have done a scarf.
Right? Yeah, I need to do that.
On the map, you're on the map.
On the map. So we're looking at the thank you, because I was trying to pull mine out. It looks like this in the front.
Yeah,
that we got, and then it has a whole itinerary and map of where you can start.
And then it has a date for Yarnaholics. It's our name. Where? Oh, at the bottom. We have a group chat with Alex called Yarnaholics. It's us. Alex, it's us. Anyway,
where are we starting?
Going somewhere. Let's start this way. Yeah.
And if you guys are interested, I'm part of the San Diego County Spinners, and we put an event on each year. We shear sheep, spin the wool, and make sweater.
Oh, we will be here.
Oh, absolutely.
And it's like a little fiber fair too.
Yeah, put this in your calendar immediately. Thank you. You too. There's so many fiber artists and so many beautiful sweaters. And
I love your
hi! Your sweater is beautiful.
It's a cute little hunter. How are you guys liking your halibut?
Oh, yeah. It's so nice. Yeah. Very hot.
Yes.
Very hot.
I need that. What pattern is it?
This is Autumn Alpine. Okay, I did it after the halibut. The halibut, yoke issues. It's long and like maybe on me it was just different, but like
yeah, I heard a
issues.
Yeah. And like, I love it. It turns out so cute, but it's just hard to lift up your arm.
Yeah, we changed up everything, like the decrease rate.
All of your sweaters are just so good.
Thank you.
No, Autumn Alpine, absolutely no fitting.
Autumn Alpine.
I bought that pattern.
I think
You do?
Yeah.
I'm gonna text it.
Yeah.
Hey!
You guys are gonna be flocked fans all day.
Oh God, you make that sweater look so good. Guys, so I'm here and I saw this person with the prettiest sweater on earth, and she told me that it's the Autumn Alpine by, who is it by? Caitlin Hunter?
Yeah.
And I now need to find yarn for it because the way she made it look, I need it. Okay guys, we're outside now. It's so hot in there, but it feels so good out here. Anyway, I came here talking about, I'm just here for the vibes. Now I'm here for yarn, all of a sudden.
She's very inspired, guys.
Yeah, so I'm going to, I saw this girl, oh my god, she was wearing this beautiful, beautiful sweater, and it was the Autumn Alpine or Alpine sweater by Caitlin Hunter, and I was like, I need to knit that immediately. So now I'm looking for yarn because I decided that I'm going to knit it in like black and pink. Very weird combination, but honestly, those are my two favorite colors. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
And so that's what I'm going for. I already found the pink that I want to get. I'm gonna get it tomorrow because this is a 2-day event. And yeah, so I've just been trying to find the black. The black is the hardest because it's sport weight, and it's just, I don't know. I think I might get this light DK weight though in black and then get the sport weight in pink, especially since it's colorwork, so I think it'll work fine like that. Anyway, so we're just going to chill here and knit a little and then go. I got a wand. Yeah, don't ask me why. It was just really cute. I just wanted it.
Oh, yes, literally a wand.
Yeah, and then I got cute other stuff that I'll show you guys, and then I'm gonna get my yarn tomorrow for sure, and maybe other stuff. I don't know. Being here is like, well, maybe I do like yarn and fiber stuff. Anyway, that's it for now.
Over and out.
Okay guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. Even though it's not a lot, I'm still gonna show you guys some of the things that I got. So for one, I got this pouch. It's so hilarious. Like, I don't know if you guys can read it with me holding it up, but this is this is what it says. Like, how amazing is this? Love it! And I just started fitting everything else that I bought, because I bought like tiny things, so I just put everything in here. So I got these really cute Hank earrings. Like, these are the cutest things on earth. I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm gonna be wearing my Korshavn sweater, so I'm gonna pair this with my Korshavn sweater. Anyway, so cute. Then I got, what is this? Oh my gosh, just a stitch marker. I didn't even know. I think it came with this pouch, this stitch marker. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And then that's a card. Then I got a sticker from Leslie. So cute. And then I got this enamel pin. Oh my gosh, can you guys see it? So cute. And then honestly, this was the best purchase of the day. Is this practical? No. Is it cute? Yes, and that's why I got it. So it comes in this bag, and it is it's a wand. I'm never gonna use it, but it's cute. This is what sold me, because this is the prettiest thing I've ever seen on earth. Like, how gorgeous is this? This is why I got it, because I was like, this is so pretty, and I just needed it, and so I have it. And I don't know, I feel like this can go in a beautiful glass case and then just be on display somewhere. I don't know. I have no plans. I just needed to get it because, oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Anyway, as you can tell, I got no yarn, but I think I know what I'm gonna be getting tomorrow, so at least I have an idea of what yarn I'm gonna be getting, because I was able to scout out today everything I could potentially get tomorrow. So yeah, but this is all I got today. Oh no. And tomorrow, fingers crossed, I get everything I need so I can knit this, what's it called, Autumn Alpine or Autumn Alpine sweater by Caitlin Hunter. Like, I need that pattern. I need the yarn and sweater now. Like, I need to knit that immediately. So I'm really excited to get the yarn so I can start that, even though I already have a project planned, but I'm gonna have a whole video for you guys anyway. But yeah, that's my purchase for today, and tomorrow I will have my haul there. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.